Number one, how to add music onto your watch. So if you're ever separated from your phone, you can still listen to music. What you're going to do is open the Galaxy Wearable app. You want to go to the watch settings. From here, you're going to swipe up, go to Manage Content, and you're going to tap While Using App. And you want to go to Tracks on Watch. And so far, these are the only 2 tracks that are there. If you hit the plus in the upper right corner, you can add more music, and it'll look for all the music that is currently stored on your phone and allow you to add it that way. So I could hit the all. Obviously, you want to be careful with this because you might have thousands of songs on your phone, and so there's not enough room for all of that. But I only have like 14 songs on this phone, so I can hit all, and it's going to grab all these songs here. And then I can easily add those right to the watch. Now we are getting a pop-up here that's saying it couldn't add the tracks. So let's jump over to the watch. And we basically need to swipe to the right. And we have to give the watch permission for us to add the tracks. So we're going to tap here and just swipe up, go to View Permissions. And then we have to allow it to do so. There we go. Now, we can try it again just by hitting retry. And here it'll show us now it's adding the tracks. All right, guys, so all of our music is now loaded onto the watch. And to see the music, you're going to swipe up and you'll go to the little music app right here. It's a music note. We're going to tap allow. And here's our song. And if we swipe up, we can get to our library, and then we can go through, see that we'll go to tracks, and then we can drag around the edge here or swipe up and down to see all the songs. So that's how you load your music. Number 2, how to pair Bluetooth headphones with your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. So I have a pair of AirPod Pros here, and these are ready to go. I'm going to swipe down from the top on the watch, go to Settings, go to Connections, go to Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, which it is. And now we'll tap on the Scan button. And on the AirPods Pro, there's a little button on the back. Just hold that button down for 1 second, and you're going to see the light start to flash. It's in pairing mode, and now our AirPods have shown up on the screen. Tap, and it says, do you want to pair? We're going to hit the check. Perfect. So now we are paired, and this is how you confirm. It'll say paired devices. Now you can basically swipe up, go back to your music, and begin to play them right through your earphones. Number 3, this one is a really important one, and it might save you in an emergency. Tapping on the home button 5 times will launch the emergency mode just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you go. And this will trigger your SOS mode, so you can have it call 911. You can also have it trigger a few other emergency SOS features. And you set these up using the app. All right, so let me switch over to the app here real quick. So in the app, on the main screen here, you want to go to Watch Settings. And you want to go to the Safety and Emergency mode. And here you can basically program a series of things to happen when you trigger this SOS mode. So the first thing is you can have it message your emergency contacts. So you tap here for emergency contacts, and you'll want to basically hit the plus, and you can add 1 or multiple contacts to be alerted in the event of an emergency. You'll need to enable as well share during emergency calls and texts. You'll need to check that there. And then also you can have your medical information show up on screen as well. Okay. And here is where you'll actually plug in all the medical information so that medical personnel can care for you properly. Moving into number 4, this is also how you turn on the hard fall detection. We're going to check this box here, and then we're going to tap in this section, and this will kind of walk you through how it works. It says automatically call an emergency number when your watch detects a hard fall. It will give a countdown. So if you check this box, it'll first give a 10-second countdown. And so that gives you time to turn it off in case it's not that bad of a fall. But clearly, if it's a bad fall and you go unconscious, after 10 seconds, it will begin to make the calls and trigger the alert to your emergency contacts. It will also give off a warning sound as well. It'll call 911. Let's see, when to detect the fall. You can kind of customize it. Do you want it to always detect falls? Do you want it to only be workouts? Do you want it to be physical activity? If it's an older person, I would say make it the always option, just so that it's, always ready and alert for it. And lastly, share info with your emergency contacts. Okay, next I want to show you how to find more apps that are compatible with your Watch FE. Obviously, by swiping up, you can see the current apps that are installed on your watch, but there are so many more that are compatible. So let me show you a few ways to find those apps. First, you can go to the Play Store, which is this one right here, and you can see some apps that you use on your phone that maybe are not installed on your watch. So for example, I use Audible. So guess what? I can install this one and then I can listen to my audiobooks right from my watch. I have a WhatsApp Messenger, which is a much cleaner interface to do messaging than just using the standard notifications. There's a Gmail app. I can go to See More. YouTube Music, that's another one as well. I can install that. And Google Keep, which is a great app for note-taking, so I can hit install. So these are, first of all, the watch is looking at apps that are on my phone that are compatible with the watch. So you may not see the same apps because you may not have these on your phone. Now, you can easily just install these on your phone first, and then go right back to that little Play Store icon, and then they will show up for you to select. That's one option. Now, the other option is this. We can, on the app, if we go to watch settings, then we swipe up and we go to apps. And then here, like this will show you all the apps that are already on your phone. But if you go all the way to the bottom, it'll show you what's called featured apps. So for example, you can install Spotify Music. That's another great app right there. Just tap it and hit enable and update. Google Home, there's a calculator app here. It's a great one to have. So you can swipe over, see a couple here, and then if you tap on this arrow, this will take you to the Play Store, but specifically the apps that are compatible with your watch. And here, if you notice, watch is checked. So I can look through a list, and these are all the top apps that are going to work with my watch. And there's quite a few. So you'll want to just swipe through these different pages here to see some of the apps that are compatible with your watch. And let's say you find a good one that you like. For example, this is an Adidas running app. You simply tap on it, tap install, and that'll add right to your watch. All right. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Here is another really helpful video right here. And here is going to be a playlist with all my other Samsung Galaxy Watch FE videos. So definitely check out that playlist as well. And we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. And as always, have a good one.